The best laptop docking stations can make using your laptop so much more comfortable and convenient. They can instantly expand the functionality of your laptop, adding more ports and allowing you to connect external monitors, all while charging your laptop as well. Docking stations can be particularly useful for remote workers and anyone who has now found they are working from home a lot more. These handy peripherals, like USB-C docks, can effectively turn your laptop into a feature-packed desktop replacement. Slim and light laptops, like the MacBook, often come with a limited selection of ports, so these docking stations are an ideal solution if you struggle to plug in extra USB devices. This is why we've included several of the best MacBook docking stations in our roundup. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present you 5 best USB-C laptop docking station 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Hopday brand. This 6-port laptop USB-C multiport adapter, 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 HDMI port, 1 power delivery charging port, 1 SD card reader, 1 TF card reader. Plug and play, no additional software and drivers required. Mirror or extend the screen of your Type-C device with 4K video at 30Hz HDMI output to HD TV, monitor or projectors. This hub's USB-C power delivery port provides up to 100 W of power, so your laptop charges at high speed while using all the other hub functions. Please make sure the USB-C port of your device supports charging function. 2 USB 3.0 ports support transfer rates up to 5 gigabits per second, which saves you much time transferring data, pictures, or movies from your external drives to your laptop. Compatible with SD and TF cards with capacities up to 2 terabytes. Portable and heat-resistant design is ideal for use at home, at work, or on the go. Number 4 in our top is from the Tognan brand. Tognan USB-C dual monitor docking station can access dual HD external monitors via HDMI ports VGA port, or you can get one 4K monitor, which is perfect for those who need to deal with Ultra HD image and video output tasks. Tognan USB-C laptop docking station dual monitor for Windows and Chrome OS is equipped with 4 USB 3.0 ports and 1 USB-C port supporting data transfer rate up to 5 gigabits per second. This USB-C laptop docking station dual monitor also equips 2 USB 2.0 for wireless devices such as a keyboard and mouse. Added SD/TF card reader is friendly for the transfer file from SD/TF card. Tognan USB-C dock is equipped with 1 USB-C PD 3.0 that supports 100 W laptop charging pass-through, keeping charging your laptop and peripheral devices. This dual monitor dock goes with a 65 W power supply, which helps the dock run more stably. The USB-C dock is equipped with an RJ45 gigabit Ethernet port and supports a stable network speed up to 1 gigabit per second and auto 10/100/1000 Mbps. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the Fallwady brand. Fallwady 15-in-1 USB-C docking station has a gigabit Ethernet port with a transmission rate of up to 1000 megabits per second, compatible with the existing 10100 Ethernet standard, high reliability, and easy management, allowing you to cope with all kinds of work without worrying about network constraints. It is better to plug the laptop's charger into the PD 3.0 port to ensure all ports are functioning properly. This dongle is designed with USB-A 3.1 and USB-C ports that have a transfer rate of up to 10 gigabits per second, presenting you with efficient and faster data transmission. The SD/TF card port of this dock can read simultaneously. There are also USB-A 3.0/2.0 ports. You can transfer kinds of data at the same time, which meet your daily requirements. It is combined with 4 video output ports, 1 VGA, 2 HDMI and 1 DP port, you can enjoy a colorful and high-definition video experience on different ports. Number 2 in our top is from the MacBook brand. 6-in-1 USB-C hub dual HDMI with advanced chip expand your work opportunities and provide you more stable performance. No need any drivers or software, just plug and play. Support both SST and MST mode. Support triple display for your Windows laptops. Systel 4K video and 2 HDMI. Use HDMI port to enter mirror mode for USB-C laptops or extended mode and transfer vivid 4K Ultra HD 60Hz or Full HD 1080p 60Hz video with 3D effect from laptop screen to a monitor, projector, HD TV, etc. Stream movies, presentations or video games on your monitors in one click. 2 HDMI ports can be used simultaneously, resolution up to 4K 30Hz. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the MCY brand. 230 USB ports up to 5 gigabits per second, 2 USB 2.0 ports provide a more stable connection without wireless interference, due to the USB 3.0 radio frequency interference to the wireless connection. It is advisable to connect your wireless device to the USB 2.0 port. 1000 megabits per second gigabit RJ45 Ethernet brings you a 1G movie in few minutes. SD&TF slot support capacity up to 2 terabytes and SD&TF cards cannot be read simultaneously. Support PD charging at max 85W. This USB docking station provides one Type-C pass-through female port by which you could securely charge your laptop while connecting multiple peripherals for data transferring and worry-free power storage. With power delivery, a single USB-C port can give you blazing fast charging speed experience. Which laptop docking station would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.